When you're strapped for time, it's always tempting to want to grab one of these jars of sauce, throw in a pot of noodles, and call it a night. But I'm here to tell you, you can ditch this jar and make it from scratch just as easy and better. 4 cloves of garlic, sliced. Fresh basil. 2 cans of whole San Marzano tomatoes. Why San Marzano? Because they taste better. Into a bowl. Get your hands in there and start squeezing. Blend it up if you don't like chunks. Pot. On. Don't turn on the heat just yet. 1/4 cup olive oil. Add the garlic and the fresh basil. Now it's time for heat. Medium heat. We want to infuse the oil with that garlicky, basil-y goodness slowly. Now when you smell that garlic and basil coming together, time to add your sauce. Get a cast iron or frying pan, put it on medium heat right now. Kosher salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Brown your meatballs. Don't cook them all the way. Meatballs in. Turn down to low heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Covered. Get the pasta ready. Get a large pot with lots of water. Salt it generously. It should taste like the sea. Pasta in. Cook the pasta for 10 minutes only. Do not overcook it. Spaghetti sauce doesn't have to be hard. Perfect.